Morning, CSA. Oh, your boy is looking good this morning and fresh and very fresh. Yes. Again, with a daily dose of lol with CSA. Yes. And the Herald, where I get, my early morning news, and just twist them up and see what happens, and see what happens. Sometimes news can be good, sometimes it can be bad, but with South Africa by now. There's a lot to expect. Could be anything. But today, there's a lot of money that I saw on the paper. There is a lot of money. So let's get to it. So today, as I read the paper, like before I even read anything, before I even went for the words, I was just a baby looking at the pictures, just open and just strolled around, and then all I could see was money. All I could see was 1 billion, 17 million, 303 million. And ever since I read yesterday's article about acquiring cattle as the new way of stealing state money, all I could see today was cattle. I saw 1 billion, I see cattle. I see 17 million, I see cattle. I see cattle grazing in the field. That's all I could see, grazing cattle. I see farm, black and white cattle. That's all I could see. Now I see money differently. Just by reading a newspaper, now I see money differently. And one of the monies that I saw was coming from Cerebos, Cerebos, the salt, because there are certain buildings in PE that you recognize as you coming into PE or leaving PE to East London. You will see Cerebos there. So Cerebos is spending 17 million into expanding and investing into and multiplying, man. That's what money is supposed to do. Money is meant to multiply. Use money to multiply. But what I need to ask Cerebos, ne? What I need to ask, because I was looking for this, I saw this. There's Cerebos, I have blue salt. Cerebos, I have blue salt here. This is salt. Is this yours? Does this belong to you? Or this is something Motherwell has remixed? Is this something that belongs to you? With your 17 million, have you not lost some other salt particles to Motherwell? Has Motherwell invested in themselves with your air? Because, yeah, got this from my Motherwell. Investigate, Sarah. So that's a beautiful thing. Money is expanding with Sarapos. So maybe, hopefully, more jobs. Yeah. Another thing, 1 billion, 1 billion is going to health department. 1 billion rand to health. Last week, a hospital, Livingston Hospital, was robbed. Securities were robbed. So yeah, first thing first. Start with Livingston, the security, the situation there. Yeah, protect those ladies by the gates. They were robbed. Their phones were taken. Yeah. So, but with that 1 billion, I already see cows. I saw some kettles. That 1 billion, that's the 1 billion going to the health department in Eastern Cape. I saw kettles grazing. It's not only going to health, it's going to the cattle. There's gonna be more kettles. There's gonna be more kettles. And talking about kettles, one of I was very proud yesterday. One of the butcheries that I support here, I told you that brisket is cheap. Brisket is very cheap, and red meat has been cheap lately. I've been eating a lot of red meat. Yeah, even with the gap, bruh, I've been eating. I've been biting. So yes, I saw on Facebook, Nati Buchari, they posted that they no longer cut the red meat anymore, especially cattle. They don't cut. It's about cattle this week. Last week it was about heist. They no longer cut cattle because cattle are stolen. You understand? So yeah, you can see this cattle. its joint was cut because I didn't know they prepare the cattle before they steal it. I didn't know like they cut the joints. They cut the joints and leave the cattle there. So in Colchester, a cattle's joints were cut and then they left it there. They were gonna come back for it later in the hours. But yeah, so now Nati Butcher is no longer cutting for people because yeah, this people are stealing. People are stealing and going to them to cut, you know, to chop the stolen product. So yeah, no more cutting at Nati Butcher. I like the fact that even the butcheries are supporting, even the butcheries are legit. Yeah, with this cow, with this cattle thing, there's cattling everywhere. Another happy. There's happy things in Gqeberha. Happy things. The people of some suburbs, somewhere in Gqeberha, somewhere in the suburbs in Gqeberha, um, these guys are celebrating lack of service delivery. Yeah, they're like, no, we're done complaining, we're done toying. They are celebrating now. These are the same people who are planting flowers uh, into the potholes. The potholes that are not fixed in their neighborhood, they use that and change that to gardening. Just planting there. Yeah. Now they are celebrating a fourth anniversary for a street light that has not been working for 4 years. They are not complaining anymore. They are celebrating the problems. And they bought a cake, champagne, happy fourth anniversary to a street light that has not been working for 4 years. That's what we're gonna do. These are the only people who are allowed to tell me in an argument that I need a therapist. These are the only people that are allowed to tell me in an argument that say you need therapy. Because these guys you can tell. You can tell they understand therapy. They go through therapy. That's why they don't see problems. They are making sure now we are celebrating lack of service delivery. That's what I'm gonna celebrate today. 6 months anniversary of my phone that was taken. Text up a phone. Yeah, 6 months ago. Celebrating. So please, brothers, man, the criminals, please. I don't want to celebrate this one. This phone that I'm using, I don't want to celebrate. I don't want to celebrate anything else. Just want to celebrate the phone that I lost, that not lost, that was taken 6 months ago. These guys are inspiring me to celebrate problems and celebrate life. It's a blessing that we don't have a working street light. It's a blessing that you cannot see your enemies coming. uh, Ignorance is bliss. We celebrate. We celebrate. We celebrate. I don't know if this guy is celebrating, but this gentleman went to Nobuhle in the township to pick up his girlfriend, and yeah, and then he ended up getting kidnapped for 17 hours, and then he escaped. But the problem is they kidnapped. Now they have the dog. He left the dog with the kidnappers. So now the criminals have the dog, and they started by wanting 120,000 to get the dog. Now the prices went down. Now they want 50,000. Now they want 50,000. If you want a dog, give us 50,000. And now he's telling the paper the story. So I'm like, it's like that. They are still communicating every now and then. Him and the kidnappers, they are still talking. Um, yeah, the negotiations are happening. It sounds like lobola negotiations. It sounds like kettles for the dog. Gave us kettles for the dog. That's how I see this thing. But if the dog is still alive, I'm sure they are feeding the dog. The kidnappers, they are feeding the dog, and I think the guy is not bothered. I think he's not bothered now that he's talking to the papers. I'm like, no, no, no. It's your problem now. It's your problem. And I am very sure it's a white person whose dog has been kidnapped because they know us. They know us. They would have let the dog go. Ah, they know us. They know us. 50,000 for the dog. Mm-mm. Keep the dog. As long as I'm safe. Keep the dog. Keep the girlfriend. I'm joking. Yeah, I'm joking. But the level of crime here is hectic. And this is all Gqeberha. This is all Gqeberha. This is not a movie in Hollywood. This is Gqeberha. We are celebrating Streetlight. I'm sure he's celebrating the dog being missing. We are celebrating. We need 1 billion for police, bruh, for preventing crime, bruh. No one is safe. The dogs, no one. We are not safe. No one. The dog ransom 50,000. I'm questioning my value. Yeah, that's my time. That's my time. You just when I get your issue, bruh. Get your issue. I can't. Yeah, I have not been saying that line. Get your issue. Get your issue. Or go to the website. The link is on my description right now. Follow on Facebook, The Herald. Go on the website www .theherald.co.za. We are here again. Subscribe, like, all of that. Comment, please comment. I need your feedback. I need your feedback is important. Let me know that I'm not alone here. You understand? Yes. Danko. See you tomorrow.